kids, today let's learn to draw a monkey face. Let's start by drawing a semicircle, that is half of a circle. Now, two little ears, and now complete the circle to get your monkey's face. Now mark a point towards the middle. Now draw curved lines like this. Draw another semicircle. Now draw two little eyes. And a tiny nose. And your monkey's smiling lips. Draw lines like this in his ears. And that's it. We have the monkey's face ready. Thanks for watching.